I wanted to share with you how to cure your erectile dysfunction with grape seed extract. Some of you may know that Pycnogenol has done quite well in a couple of studies on erectile dysfunction when combined with a low dose of arginine, something I covered in another video. However, Pycnogenol is a fairly expensive supplement, but grape seed extract works exactly like Pycnogenol. It has many great artery and endothelial-related properties that should make it excellent for improving erectile dysfunction. So let's take a look at a few examples. The first thing would be nitric oxide. A study in 2008 sought to find out just how grape seed extract relaxes arteries, and the answer is simple. It does it the old-fashioned, time-proven way by favorably acting on endothelial nitric oxide synthase. This is the same enzyme that Viagra acts on. This means grape seed extract will increase nitric oxide levels just like Pycnogenol. Second would be lower blood pressure. Due to number one, it is no surprise that researchers found that it lowered blood pressures in patients with metabolic syndrome when given at dosages of 150 to 300 milligrams daily. The hallmark features of metabolic syndrome are elevated blood pressure, insulin resistance, and triglycerides. The third and last example is venous insufficiency. Grape seed extract seems to significantly help with venous insufficiency. Venous insufficiency is a disease of poor circulation and should not be confused with venous leakage, which has more of a direct effect on erectile function. Venous insufficiency plagues diabetics. For example, they cannot get proper circulation to their extremities, allowing for fluid and toxins to build up there. If you're serious about curing erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I've personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction problem with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.